Hello children, welcome to Trinity Academy Metric Higher Secondary School. I am D. Mahalakshmi, your social teacher. In Term 3, Class 6, Unit 1, Geography, we are going to see a new topic, Asia and Europe. Are you ready? Children, we have already read. There are 7 continents. What are they? They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. First, we are going to see about Asia. Asia is the largest and the most populous continent in the world. It covers about 30% of the world's land area and about 60% of the world's population. Most of the land of Asia lies in the northern hemisphere. It has different types of physical and cultural features. Next, we can move on to location and area. Asia extends from 10 degree 11 south to 81 degree 12 north latitudes and from 26 degree 2 east to 169 degree 40 west longitudes. It spreads for an area of 44 million kilometers square. Next, we can move on to boundaries of Asia. Asia is surrounded by the Arctic Ocean in the north, Pacific Ocean in the east, Indian Ocean in the south, and the rural mountains, Caucasus Mountains, Red Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Caspian Sea, and Black Sea in the west. Next, political divisions. There are 48 countries in Asia. The countries are grouped on landscape and political status. East Asia, Southeast Asia, South Asia, Southwest and Central Asia. Next, physiogeographic divisions. Asia is the land of long mountain ranges, snow-capped high mountains, vast plateaus, extensive plains, river valleys and sea coast. These diverse physical features encourage the people to this continent to involve in diverse economic activities. The physiogeography of Asia can be divided into 5 major groups. The Northern Lowlands, the Central High Mountains, the Southern Plateaus, the Great Plains and the island groups. First, the Northern Lowlands. The most extensive lowland in Asia is the Siberian plain. It extends from rural mountains in the west to the Verkhoyansk range in the east. Next, the Central Highlands. The Central Highlands stretches from Turkey to the Bering Strait. There are 2 knots found in Asia. They are the Pamir knot and Armenian knot. The lowest point in the world is located in Dead Sea in Asia. The important plateaus are the plateau of Anatolia, the plateau of Iran, the plateau of Tibet. Tibet is called the roof of the world and it is also known as the third pole because of its cold weather. Largest receiver of fresh water and inhospitable environment. Next, the climate of Asia. Asia exhibits a variety of climate. The northern part of Asia experiences severe long winter and cool summer. The south, southeast and eastern part of Asia are strongly influenced by monsoon winds. Summer is hot and humid while winter is cool and dry. The areas found in and around the equator have uniform climate throughout the year. There is no winter. The average temperature is 27 degrees Celsius and the mean rainfall is 1270 millimeter. There is no winter in the equatorial region. Next, natural vegetation. Natural vegetation depends upon rainfall, temperature and soil. As Asia stretches from the equator to poles, all types of vegetation are found here. Some rare species are found in Asia. Next, mineral resources. Asia has a variety of mineral deposits. It holds an important place in the production of iron, coal, manganese, bauxite, zinc, petroleum, tin, etc. Oil and natural gas found in the West Asian countries. 1/3 of the world's oil is produced in Asia. Among the West Asian countries, Iran has a considerable wealth of mineral resources. Next, agriculture. Only about 18% of the total area is cultivable in Asia. Agriculture is the chief occupation of the people here. The river valleys in the south, southeast and east Asia have rich alluvial soil. Next, fishing. Fishing is an important economic activity in Asia. It is prevalent in open seas as well as inland water bodies. Pearl fishing is popular in the eastern coast of Arabia. Land of contrast. Asia is the biggest continent. It has different types of land features such as mountain, plain, plateau, valley, bay, island, etc. It also has different climate conditions from the equator to polar region. Apart from this, many races, languages, religions and cultures are followed by people who live in Asia. So, Asia is called the land of contrast. Next, we can move on to Europe. Europe is the 6th largest continent in size and the 3rd largest population in the world. It has diverse landforms and people. It is the birthplace of Western civilization, Roman and Greek democracy and industrial revolution. It is the most developed continent in the world. Let us explore the continent. Location and size. Europe spreads from 24 degree 51 north latitude to 81 degree 47 north latitude and from 24 degree 33 west longitude to 69 degree 3 east longitude. The prime meridian 0 degree longitude passes through Greenwich in England. The Europe Union is an economic and political union of 28 member countries of their welfare. It has one flag and the common currency, the euro. Next, physical divisions. Europe has physical features such as mountains, plains, plateaus, peninsulas, bay, islands and river basins. It can be divided into 4 physical divisions. A comparison of Asia and Europe. Asia and Europe are integrated geographically and separated politically. Europe is the giant peninsula of Asia. Both the Himalayas and the Alps were formed during the same geological period. The steppe grasslands and the coniferous forests are spread over several hundred kilometers from Europe to Asia. The plains are formed in the northern part and the mountains in the southern parts in both the continents. The two continents are the homeland of ancient civilization. From the ancient period, these two continents had trade relationship through the Silk Route and Spice Route. The various geographical similarities. These two continents have striking difference. At the end of the lesson, to understand the location, extent and the political divisions of the continents of Asia and Europe, to know about the physical features and drainage of these two continents, to understand the climate and natural vegetation of these continents, to discuss the economic activities and resources, to appraise the cultural mosaic of both the continents, to gain the skill of locating the given places on the map. I hope you all would have understood the lesson. Thank you.